Hello guys. Today we are going to focus on how we can uh, print even numbers and odd numbers after filtering from a stream. We are going to focus on Java 8 streams, filters, and IntStream kind of things. We are going to use collections also. In collection we are going to use list. So the basic thing for list is we are going to store some numbers, so we can iterate and print with some minor logic which we can use to print even and odd numbers. So what we are going to do here, we have main method. So like here, uh, what I did, array dot as list. By using this, I'm entering some numbers like 1 2 3 4. So I have entered up to 10. So with this array dot as list, using the array, we are creating a list. So here our list of integer is ready. Okay. So what we will do now, so this integer list, we will convert into streams. So you can see this is stream, return a sequential stream with this collection as its resource. Okay, so what it means, with this list of numbers we are going to convert into stream. So after converting into stream, so stream has multiple features. So one of the stream feature we are going to use, that is filter. So here the filter is it is using a predicate, it's a boolean value. So what we are doing, so we will iterate one by one these number like 1 2 3. So here I, whatever I will iterate, it will go and it will divide by 2. Okay, if it is 0, so it will print as even number, otherwise it will print as odd number. So what we are focusing here is, so not equal to 0 means we are going to print odd numbers. Okay, so after dividing, so what I want, we need to suppose we divided 1 2 3, so we will get list of numbers. So that list of number we are going to convert into collector dot as list. Okay, so what it means, after doing this filter, so whatever value we will get, we will collect into the list of integers. So here, see here, I am doing even list. So it might be equal to 0. Now it is a even list. Okay, so what I'm doing, even list, right? So using this event list, again we will use the stream and this for each iterator, like it is a function for each method we will use to print. Like here, if you see, I am using a reference method reference for printing these numbers. Okay, and another way to print the same, like here, this sysout we are using for a line break. Okay, so another way to print the same is, like here, we can use the int stream. Okay, int stream, it is also a Java 8 feature. So you can see it is the interface int stream. So it has a function for a range closed. What range closed will do it? It will ask for a start inclusive and end inclusive. Like here, I am giving a 1 to 50. Okay, so what it will do, it will convert the given range. It will take the given range and it will generate a sequential number like 1 2 3 4 up to 50. Okay, so it will iterate from 1 to the length whatever we have given. So here the length we have given is 50. So what it will do, it will generate a sequence of number, and the sequence of number, after getting the sequence of number, so we will box it. What the mean of box, like what we will get the stream. Okay, the int stream. So what we will do, the box and return the stream, considering the element to the stream, each box to the integer. So here, boxed mean whatever I am getting, so we will box it. It will box into integer. Okay, again, it will be converting list of integers. Okay, So after gathering, so we will filter it. Okay, so here we have the filter logic, like the same logic whatever we have implemented here. Okay, so what it will do, it will iterate one by one number and it will divide by 2 if it is 0. Okay, so it will consider as a even number. Okay, so after doing this operation, what we are doing, like collect, we are collecting as a list. Okay, after collecting the list, so the entire list, like entire number group will go into the integers. So the integer will hold currently, like 2 4 6 8, because what we have printed one, like I divided by 2 equal to 0 means we have filtered the even numbers. Okay, so what we are doing again, right, integer dot stream, so we are converting into stream and using for each method. So and using the method reference, we are going to print one by one each numbers one by one. Okay, so let's see the output. So you can see, like first we are printing 2 4 6 8 10, and like you can see with the int stream range closed, we are printing 1 to 50. Okay, so the same thing we can use for odd numbers also. If the only one line changes, if not equal to 0, here also we can do the same, equal to 0. Instead of that, we can use not equal to 0. Like if the number divided by 2 not equal to 0, it will be considering as a odd number. Okay, so here you can see, I'm running the program. You can see this time getting output at 1379 and 137579. Okay, and we are getting it up to 49. Okay, what the benefit here is, like I want to collect from 1 to 100 means, just I need to change one place, like now it will take from 1 to 100. Here what is the problem, like manually we have to insert the number 1 2 3 4 whatever we want, but here just the range we have to give. So according to the range it will generate the sequence of number. Okay, and after boxing is mandatory here, otherwise it will not work. So boxing means it will return a stream considering, like it will convert into a integer stream. Okay, so make sure using boxed. Okay, after boxing, then only we can use the filter. Again you can see this time it will print up to 99. If we want to print from 50 to 100, like we can give the if start inclusive equal to 50, we will run and we can see the output, like so this time it is printing from 51. So hope you understand. Thank you.